M113.
Alright guys, it is officially time to unveil one of the coolest things that exists for these cars from a company that means a lot to me and has supported me a lot on this channel. This, guys, is the Kangaroos team swap kit for manual swapping, a bunch of different things, but M113s in particular. They have a lot of options for different motors that you may be interested in manual swapping, and a lot of cool products in general, so definitely go check them out. The Kangaroos team. Petio over there sent me over this. This is their 260mm clutch kit and flywheel, so it comes with a organic clutch. They have a ceramic option as well, but this one is the organic, good for, I believe, 680 newton meters of power withholding. So we're going to be using this on our kind of stock power range Mars Red C55 right there. So this will be a perfect kit for that. I've used their 240mm kit before on the E420. That came with their M119 adapter as well for the 7/16 gearboxes. But this one bolts straight up, 7/16 gearbox, bolts straight up to the M113. So it's going to be a lot of fun. But let's start out and just tear into this little by little. I wanted to make a specific video on unboxing this because they're that good. Kangaroos team has been awesome. We've developed stuff together. They've supported what I'm doing over here, and I just wanted to show you guys how good these kits are, quality standpoint and performance standpoint. So here we go. Let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing I want to point out before we start diving into all this packing, this arrived from Bulgaria to Seattle, US in under 2.5 days. Insane. Okay, guys, like, that is insane. So that's the first thing to start out with as far as customer service goes. It arrives to you immediately, which is insane. All right. The second part of that is they will walk through every single bit of this with you. If you message them and tell them, hey, I'm in the middle of this, I need help with this. Not only do they have instructions, but they will literally live message you as you're going once they get a chance, and it will be quick answers every single time. Wanted to point that out. Now I know you guys are dying, so let's go ahead and get into this. Packed fantastically. Everything is watertight. Box was in great shape when it arrived. I did kind of sneak a peek at this right here, but this is the hardware kit. They got some cool rubber keychain tags now. I'm definitely going to be using that. And then every single bolt you need is already in here. So flywheel bolts. I believe they've included the nylock nuts and the small bolts for securing your stock starter ring, because you will retain that in this kit. So everything that's in here, everything for the clutch plate, everything you need is in here as far as hardware goes. So great start to it right there. Very nice hardware. Got some stickers over here. We got the big Kangaroos logo and Kangaroos team, and then you also have the word mark, the website, kangaroosteam.com. So if you guys are curious where to go there. I'm telling you guys, you will not regret it. Every single thing they have is quality, and they just cater to something that not a lot of people do with all of us Benz heads. You guys know how hard it is to find cool stuff, and cool stuff that's quality even more so. So there it is. Awesome stickers. Definitely going to be throwing these on the cars. All right. Give me a couple seconds. Let me get this unwrapped, and we'll dive into the good stuff. All right, guys. Just trim this all up. Should be good to go. Let's take a look. I'm new to this unboxing stuff, guys, so don't judge me. It's probably the only unboxing video I'll ever do on my channel, but here it is, man. Oh my god, dude. These things are so beautiful. So this is the back side of your flywheel. See, they got the awesome engraved Kangaroos team right there, and look, they even give you your specs on what you need. So pressure plate, 24 newton meters for the bolts, flywheel 80 newton meters, plus glue, aka some Loctite of your choice. So they already got the bearing inside of this one. I think that's all you need for the M113. The M119, I had to stack like 2 of them. This one, it looks like you probably only need that one, so you're already good to go there. And they have everything zip tied to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, get the zip ties off, and we'll put it over here onto our rubber mats and take a closer look. Alright guys, I should point out as well, they never asked me to do this. I'm just doing this because I actually care that much, and I want to share with you guys. These are that cool, it's that high quality, and it's just something that I feel like people should have a chance to see in depth. You know, maybe somebody out there is thinking about this kit and want to see exactly what it is. So here's your chance. So our pressure plate right here, let me find our number on here. So this is a 126 002910 part number. It is a Luck pressure plate. We got an 875, so that might be the shorter designation for it. I know there's like SOX 765 clutch plate, so lots of different things. I believe this is designated originally for diesel models, possibly. I'm not quite 100% sure, but I believe so. I just cut these off. Let me make sure this is undoable, and I'll take this off and we can look at the rest of it. Alright guys, so made it to the next layer here. Looks like this is a Luck 326 003810 part number. Some other designations on there. The number on the actual material here. Hard to read because it's split up by the different chamfers, but yeah, this is our organic clutch disc. You can see nice and fresh. Both sides here. Again, I believe this is in tandem, probably designated for diesel models, if I remember correctly. I will ask Petio and pop up on screen what this is from exactly, but that's that. Let me set that to the side and we'll look at the flywheel. And just in case you guys are curious as well, there is the bottom side of our clutch plate with a little dirtiness from sitting on the rubber, but that's it right there. Pretty beefy, nice and fresh, obviously. Factory new. Alright, and then there is your magic. So this is our flywheel. Remember guys, for the M113s, the early models have what's called the just eight hole pattern, and the later models have this cross style pattern, which is basically like it separates the flywheels, and then it has dowel pins. I don't think it has two, I think it just has one, but they put it on both sides just in case to line up either way. So yeah, this is it. This is going to be working for, I think, around 05 and up. M113s could be 04 and up, and it could be model dependent too, but I know all the C55s have this cross style pattern, so that's what we needed. And you can see right here, bearing already installed. So again, this is our 260 millimeter kit, so pretty big, pretty beefy. On some cars, you have to, or the triangular bell housings on some of the 716s, you have to notch out some of it, but on the round bell housing 716s, there's nothing required. It fits just fine. So everything is here. All your bolt holes for your clutch plate. You have your dowel pins for your clutch plate. And besides that, guys, like, this is amazing. It's pretty simple. I mean, they've figured out everything for you. The depth of the flywheel, everything. It's all laid out for you. Everything is done. It's literally plug and play as you can get. All you do is retain your factory flywheel. And like I said, what you do with that, because normally it's bolted to the torque converter, all you have to do is where those bolts used to go, you basically bolt it together and use a nylon nylock nut to secure it so that it cannot come loose, because otherwise it doesn't really have anything to secure itself and they can come undone. So that's the one safety measure you take with that part, and then zip this in, put this on, and you're good to go. Fun fact for anyone who doesn't know, Mercedes uses 26 spline clutches, so does GM. So if you have like an LS clutch alignment tool, it's the same exact one, 26 spline. You can find them on eBay, etc. Dorman makes them in a plastic. You can find metal ones. So anything you need. There's a lot of interchangeability between GM and LS setups and the Mercedes setups because of that 26 spline similarity. So that's just one thing, one fun factoid for you guys, I guess. But that's going to pretty much wrap it up right there, guys. This is just an unboxing video. If you want to see this thing in action and see it get installed, come check out the process on my channel. Like I said, we're going to be doing that on the Mars Red C55. This thing is going to be 6-speed manual here soon, and all thanks to this kit. and a little bit of hard work and researching the other components that you'll need, which you can find all on my channel as well. And here I am. My name is Brooks, guys. If you've never been to my channel before, or for those of you guys are OGs of the channel, this is channel Anderson, and all I focus on is Mercedes modifications, maintenance, etc. And it's kind of what I plan to do forever. So yeah, this is going to be my third manual swap of a Mercedes. I've done one M113 before in my silver C55. You guys can go check out that whole process. It's already documented. And I did an M119 manual swap in my 1994 E420, which is a bit of a different process because, like I said, it takes a swap kit with an adapter for the bell housing on the M119. So that is also documented on my channel. All of them are in like episode series. You can check them all out. And this time around, I'm going to try to do it even better for you guys on the Mars Red C55. So hope you guys will be there. Hope you guys will stay tuned. And if you have any questions, hit me up. If you have any questions specifically for the Kangaroos team or Petio, hit them up on their Instagram. They're awesome dudes. They're enthusiasts themselves, big drifters, have all types of experience in many platforms. So don't hesitate, reach out to them if you have any questions or need any experience, any advice, anything. So that said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this small unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video before. Maybe it won't be the last, but not something I plan to do often. But for this kit, I feel like it was worth it. I wanted to give you guys an in-depth look at just how nice this kit is and how cool it is that the Kangaroos team has put this together. So again, one last look for you guys. Beautiful kit. So that'll go ahead and do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Catch you on the next one. Peace.